In the last video, we learned how to collect the data, how to collect the elements from the Revit file, and from the elements, how can retrieve the parameters values. So today we will learn how can filter the elements. To do that, first we have to collect the elements. So just I am repeating the yesterday's lesson. First category, then we will select ducts. Where is it? Okay, duct fittings. Then next, what is next? All elements of category. All model elements. Oh, sorry, all elements of category. Then we will collect. Now all duct fittings selected. Again, I'll copy it again. Then instead of duct fitting, I will select ducts. So these are ducts. Then these are duct fittings. Now I need to join this. How can we join this list to list? Just join. Just we search for join. Join string, not join. Join list. Okay, this one. Then just click on the plus button. Then you will get two inputs. Just connect this to list one. Then this list to list one. So we will get 33 ducts, including ducts and duct fittings. From here, just I need to filter the elements of level 1 only. Now this includes these elements, 33 elements includes uh, level 1 if you and level 2. Check the reference level 2. Then if I will go to level 1, check reference level 1. So I need to filter the level 1 mechanical ducts and its fittings. How can we do that? For that, first we need to collect the parameter value. How can we collect the parameter value? Get parameter value by name. This we learned yesterday this. Okay. So list what are the elements? Just we connect to element, then parameter name. Which parameter we should apply here? Reference level. Okay. Reference level. Just double click. There will be an error. Okay. We will not apply here. Just we will remove this here. First we will filter from here. Okay. Reference level. Sorry. Just element. See, reference level is level 1. Okay. Same we will do for duct fittings. So just we will copy it again. Then elements. Instead of parameter name will be, what will be the parameter name? We need to check in the model. Just select the fitting and check. See level. The parameter name is level, not reference level. We should take care that. Just double click. Will level level. Then you see level 1. So now we collect the parameter name. Then now we can join these two to one list or level 1. Okay, from this list we have to filter the level 2, sorry, we have to filter the level 1 ducts. How can we? For that we have to use filter by bool mask, filter by bool mask. Just take that. Here we have to apply, give two inputs. One is list, we will connect to list, then mask. What will be the mask? For mask we have to, how can we apply mask? I will show you. Operators, just click on that. Then here we will compare the values. So what we have to compare? Sorry, here we have to join this. You have to join these and these elements. Then this will be the list, and sorry, okay, list. We'll check x and y. What will be the y value? Just level 1, right? Level 1. Okay, then connect. So here we'll get false, or there is something wrong. Sorry. What is the mistake? Okay, from here we have to name. We have to search name string. Name level. These are levels. Okay. Then we have to connect this string to this. Then we will get true or false. Okay. This will be the mask. We will connect to mask. Here there will be two inputs. If the condition is true, that will be in. If the condition is false, it will become to out. So we will watch it. How can we identify those two filter list? Here we can see two lists, which one is in list, another is out list. Okay, so we will watch. Sorry. See, now all these ducts and duct fittings are from level 1. I will explain again. I will explain again this script. First, we collect all the duct fittings, then we collect the ducts, then we retrieve the parameter of level, reference level, and then we retrieve the parameter of level. We got here level 1 and level 2. Level 1, level 1, level 2, level 1, level 2. Here also Then we join these two lists to one. We combined these two lists into one list. Okay, so level combined. Same way, we combined the list of duct fittings and ducts together. We joined to one list. These are the lists. From here, we apply filter bool mask. Then list. This is list. Then we have to apply mask. What is the mask? We will check here. We need to check the condition. The level here we filtered all the levels. Level 1, level 2. From here we will check, is it level 1 or level 2. X, if x equal to y, then it will be true condition. If x not equal to y, then it will be false condition. All true condition will be come to in, then all false condition will come to out. So now we filtered all the level 1. Hope you understand this video. If not, please comment. We will do another exercise for filter bool mask. Here we already collected duct fittings, ducts, and we combine to one list. Now we will, in the previous exercise, we filtered uh, the elements by level. So today, now we will filter by service. As we can see in the model, there are different, there are supply ducts and there are some return ducts also. From these ducts, we will filter only supply ducts. See, let me check. You can see system type supply here. We'll check this. System type is return here. So from these ducts, we will filter only supply ducts. How can we do that? So for that, we collected all ducts and duct fittings and we joined to one list. Then now we will check the parameter. Get parameter. Get parameter value by name. So we connected list connected to element. Then parameter name will be system type. Click system type. So all system type selected. Now this is mechanical system type. We don't know the name of these system type systems. So to read the system type, just double click again. Then we wrote something like this. Name, name. That means element name. That's it. It's a code block. Just connected. Then now we can see the name of the system type of all ducts. There are supply ducts and there are return ducts also. So from these supply ducts and return ducts, we need to filter only supply duct. That is our task. To do that, we have to apply filter by bool mask. So here there are two inputs. One is list. What will be the list? So this will be the list. Then we have to create mask. We will apply. We will compare the system type. So operators. Then this will be x value. Then what we need to extract. No, sorry, filter supply ducts only. So we can see true or false statements. True, 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 false. Okay. So this is a mask. So Here we will apply watch node WATCH. All these are supply ducts, and then all these are return ducts. How do we know that? Just again we will apply get parameter, get parameter value by name. Just to connect this. We will check the sorry system type. Sorry system type. Okay. Ename see all are supply air. So element which are filtered in this here in the in list are supply ducts. Hope you understand this video. Thank you.